Sell my HVAC business. How to sell my HVAC business. Unlock the secrets to a highly profitable exit strategy. To maximize your HVAC business sale, meticulously organize your financial statements for the past 3 to 5 years. Ensure your profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements are clear, accurate, and readily available for potential buyers to review. Implement robust accounting practices and consider engaging a professional accountant or CPA to review and potentially audit your books. This step is crucial for identifying any discrepancies, optimizing financial reporting, and ensuring transparency. Focus on increasing profitability and demonstrating consistent revenue growth. Buyers are primarily interested in future earning potential, so highlighting trends of increasing sales, improved profit margins, and recurring revenue streams like maintenance contracts is paramount. Minimize unnecessary expenses and optimize operational costs without sacrificing service quality. Buyers will scrutinize your cost structure, so demonstrating efficiency and a lean operational model can significantly enhance your business's attractiveness. Develop a crystal-clear understanding of your key performance indicators, KPIs, and precisely how each contributes to your HVAC business's overall success. Demonstrating strong, measurable performance metrics is vital for attracting top dollar. Document all your operational processes thoroughly, from initial customer contact to service completion and follow-up. This includes sales procedures, dispatching protocols, installation guidelines, and customer service standards. Invest in modern technology and cutting-edge equipment that significantly enhances efficiency and service delivery for your HVAC business. Buyers actively seek technologically advanced companies poised for future industry trends and growth. Cultivate and maintain a strong, highly skilled, and exceptionally loyal team of technicians and essential support staff. A well-trained, motivated, and stable workforce represents a substantial asset that discerning buyers will highly value. Cultivate strong customer relationships and a positive brand reputation. Excellent customer service, positive reviews, and a history of repeat business are incredibly valuable. Buyers will be interested in your customer base and how you maintain those relationships. Explore opportunities to diversify your service offerings and expand your revenue streams, if feasible. A broader range of services and income sources can significantly enhance your HVAC business's appeal and valuation. Clearly articulate and define your unique selling proposition, USP, emphasizing precisely how your HVAC business distinguishes itself from competitors. Highlighting your competitive advantages is crucial for a compelling sale narrative. Demonstrate a clear growth strategy and potential for expansion. Buyers are looking for opportunities to scale the business. Present data-backed projections for future revenue growth, market penetration, and new service development. Thoroughly understand your target market and effectively showcase your established presence and reputation within it. Deep insights into customer demographics, evolving needs, and buying habits in your service area are paramount. Develop a compelling and persuasive narrative that highlights your business's rich history, significant achievements, and ambitious future vision. A well-crafted story connects with buyers emotionally, making your HVAC business more desirable. Gather positive customer testimonials, case studies, and industry awards to validate your market standing and reputation. These external endorsements provide objective proof of your business's excellence and desirability. Engage a professional business broker specializing in HVAC or service-based businesses. Their expertise in valuation, marketing, and negotiation is invaluable for maximizing your sale price and ensuring a smooth transaction. Prepare a comprehensive confidential information memorandum, CIM, or deal book that details all aspects of your business. This document should include financial summaries, operational overviews, market analysis, growth strategies, and team information. Be fully prepared for the comprehensive due diligence process that potential buyers will undertake. This thorough scrutiny will involve meticulously examining your financials, operations, legal standing, and vital customer contracts. Negotiate strategically, armed with solid evidence to justify your asking price and demonstrate your HVAC business's intrinsic value. While understanding your walkaway points, remain flexible to achieve a mutually beneficial agreement. Absolutely seek experienced legal counsel from an M&A attorney to meticulously review all sale agreements. Ensuring your interests are thoroughly protected throughout the entire HVAC business sale process is paramount.
You can click the link here to learn more about how they do it.